So welcome everyone. Today I am going to unbox Mi Smart Band 5, which is the latest band of Xiaomi. So let's unbox this without wasting any more time. So I am going to break the seal. So now the seal is broken. So let's see what's inside the box. At our first glance, we can see that there is Mi Smart Band 5 kept in the center. So let me first keep this box aside and let's check the other accessories. This is our smart band. Let me keep this at side. And other than this, we get a user manual. It's quite lengthy. Oh my god, it's quite lengthy. There is lot of details regarding this band. So other than that, there is a magnetic charger in this box. It's a biggest update than the Mi Band 4. You don't have to remove the capsule again and again to charge the Mi Band. So this is a magnetic charger, and the quality of the charger is quite good. If you will see the length of the charger, it's not too big, but it's more than enough. And the quality is also the best. So let's keep this aside and we'll check the Mi Band 5. And now I am removing the Mi Band 5. The quality looks quite good. The display seems to be very shiny. I am keeping this box aside and all the other stuff aside. So now let's see the quality of the strap. It's a rubber like material. The quality is quite good. And at the back, here is the branding of MI, and this is the most important heart rate sensor, and this is the connecting dock for magnetic charger. So let's connect the magnetic charger. It's very easy to charge the Mi Band. You have to just take the charger closer to the dock. The display is very smooth. The band also seems to last for a long time. So now let's turn on the band. I have connected this magnetic charger with the power bank, and now you can see the band is charging. So I will set up the band and will be right back. So now I have completely set up the Mi Band. The display is so brighter, and there are so many modes available. This is the status menu, which shows the readings, and this is the personal assistant. This is the heart rate reader. This is a notification menu where we can get the notifications from our phone. And the new feature which is included is the stress monitor. So now let's check the heart rate reading. And you can see the readings. It is showing 99 BPM, which is quite accurate if we even compare it. This is a stress monitor. And the another new feature which is included in this latest Mi Band is the breathing mode. This provides us instruction to inhale and exhale, and the sensors detect the exhalation and inhalation automatically. We can also set the time. We can also set the events, and the band will vibrate automatically. This is the weathers menu, and another exciting feature is the workout modes. This band has 11 different workout sections. We can set them as per our need. If we check under the more section, there are plenty of options available. We can also set alarms from here, and the camera shutter feature is also present in this menu. You can also control music on your devices. We can also find the lost devices by clicking on Find My Device. There is option for silent and the world clock. And if we go under the band display, there are many band faces, and you can also set them from the Mi Fit application, and also you can apply custom watch faces. So this was all regarding the Mi Smart Band 5. It's the best band available under 3000. The price of this band is 2499 in India. You can also check the link given in the description.